Sadie, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm fixing the girls.
You finishing the girls?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
The dressing.
What are they doing?
The dressing.
Are they dressing? What are they getting dressed for?
For a party.
Whose party is it?
Spencer's sitting.
Spencer? No, Sadie, you can't come on this chair. It's too big for you.
It's too big. Only big bow.
You're not ready. What do you want? Say hi. Can you say hi to the camera? Can you blow the camera a kiss? Mwah. 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 Say hi, Sadie. Sadie, can you blow me a kiss? I thought you girls were having a birthday party.
Yeah. But who's dressing up?
She's what?
Who's dressing up?
Oh, she's dressing up.
Who's having a vest and who's having a
Oh, she
vest?
looks beautiful. Oh, she's dressed like a princess, this one.
Sorry, but they're putting right here.
She looks beautiful.
Thank you. I'm doing a sew for you. You can make sew.
Which show is that? It's a bebop show? You're so silly. She's working on the railroad?
No, I'm not. I'm just pretending. Just put. Thank you. That was really.
Oh, that dress looks good on her.
Bakasoo. Do you want to see
Are you looking for matching shoes?
boots?
Oh, boots? Good ones.
Boots and have shoes on top.
Perfect.
Why?
Well, those are actually socks and shoes.
Thank you. Yes, there are. I didn't notice that. I went to a party. You did. But me and my sister were going to my party, and sister's just fucking on a different clothes. Okay. Hold on, a real pajamas, that's really bad. Not there.